Hari Om Tassat, Namaskar. Before the practice of Yoga Nidra, we should have some basic understanding and some instructions before practicing the Yoga Nidra. Yoga Nidra is a practice of relaxation and meditation. This is a technique in which you relax your body, you relax your mind. Your body and mind relaxed, but consciousness remains awake. There are few steps in the normal Yoga Nidra practice. It may vary according to the length of the practice. First, in Yoga Nidra, we relax the different body parts. Then, other step is becoming aware of your body and contact points with the floor or the mat or bed sheet, whatever. The third step is rotation of consciousness to the different parts of the body. Fourth stage is awareness of breathing and visualization and counting. And fifth stage is the resolution, making a sankalpa. During the Yoga Nidra practice, one thing is to remember that during the practice, if thoughts come, emotions come, do not suppress. Let them come, because these are not coming from outside, but these are coming from within. And this is a process of cleansing. This is a process of purification. You just have to become aware of the instructions and follow the instructions. During the practice, when body is relaxed, then we move from the conscious to the subconscious mind. And after relaxation, there is tendency of sleep, and we tend to sleep, or we are lost in our own thoughts. And our instructions, getting instructions of Yoga Nidra is being interrupted. And this is normal. This doesn't mean that your Yoga Nidra is destroyed. You have to start or the join from where you get the instructions and continue from that. Another thing is that when we get a state of relaxation, at that state your mind is very receptive. That is the state in between waking and the dream state, in between the conscious mind and subconscious mind. That is called the hypnagogic state of the mind. And in that state, if we take a resolution, then that enters into the subconscious mind. And from there, it motivates you. Then what is resolution? Resolution is sankalpa. Whatever you want to achieve into your life, that is done in the form of a sentence. Suppose resolution can be like this: I will be the hard-working, I will explore my inner potential, I will be forgiving for others, I will do yoga and meditation every day. Whatever you want to achieve, whatever transformation you want into your personality, Then you make a sentence in your own language and repeat it 3 times mentally with awareness and feelings. And the same resolution should be practiced whenever you do Yoga Nidra. And in this way, that becomes the part of your personality, and your personality is transformed accordingly. So Yoga Nidra is not complicated practice. This is just to follow the instructions and feel the relaxation and peace quickly. I think this is the shortest method and the fastest method to get the relaxation. And now this is a time to practice Yoga Nidra. I will make 2 videos. One will be 10 minutes of Yoga Nidra, other will be about 20 minutes of Yoga Nidra. You can choose one of them according to the availability of your time or according to your requirement. So thank you for watching this video. Namaskar. Hari Om Tat Sat.